In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. The first thing you'll need to do, obviously, is sign up for both apps. Both are very similar payments apps. You can send money back and forth to people. You can even invest in things like crypto. But one thing a lot of people want to know how to do is send money from one app to the other. So the first thing we're going to do is start on PayPal. You can see my balance is $150 in the top left. And then there's a transfer button right below that. I'm going to tap on that transfer button. And this is going to give me a few options: transfer to bank, transfer to PayPal savings, transfer internationally. I want to transfer to bank, scan my face, and you can use this transfer in minutes option for instant transfers. So you can see if I were to do that, if I needed this money transferred over there right away, this would be a $2.63 fee. I don't want to pay the fee, so I'm just going to do the 1 to 3 business days. If you do need this immediately, you can use the option with the fee. Now I'm just going to tap the transfer button on the bottom of the screen. And there we go. This is sent over to my bank account. I can tap done. My PayPal balance goes to 0, and that's on its way to my bank. Now we can go into Cash App. You can see my current balance is $142.79. Now that I have the $150 in my bank account, I can just instantly transfer that to Cash App by tapping this Add Cash button at the top of the screen. Then I can tap the 3 dots and type in $150. Then all I would need to do is tap the Add button, and it will instantly appear in my Cash App. There we go. You added $150 to your Cash App, tap done. You can see my new balance is $292.79. So there you go. That's the most efficient way to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know if you have any questions down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.